Hello students, today in this particular video we will solve the remaining questions of exercise 2.5. In our previous video we have solved questions up to 5. So now let us move to our next question. Here the question is division does not distribute over addition. Give an example to justify this statement. It tells us that division is not distributive over addition, and for this, to prove this, we have to give an example. So before starting, let us recall what was distributive property. For example, 20 or 30 divided by 5, 30 divided by 5, and now another is 30 multiplied by 5. We will see here if I distribute 30, that is if I distribute 5. Now look, if I distribute 5, it will be like this: 30 into 2 plus 3. Can we write 5 as 2 plus 3? Yes, we can write. Same here, we will also write 30 into, here this is addition, right? So we will give their plus sign, 2 plus 3. Now we will verify in which case this distributive property is applicable over addition. So 30 into 2, we can multiply it with 30, sorry, here it will be divide. Here we will give divide. 30 divided by 2, one thing, 1, then plus 30 divided by 3. Same in this case, here is multiplied, so we will multiply with 30 into 2, then plus 30 into 3. Clear? Okay. Now look, what we get the result. 30 divided by 2 is 15, then plus sign, and 30 divided by 3 is it is 10. And now if we add 15 plus 10, it will be 25. Clear? For this case, if we multiply 30 into 2, it is 60, then plus 30 into 3 is 90. So now if we find out the sum of 60 and 90, it is 150. Clear? Now another thing is what? When we multiply 30 with 50, we also get 150. That means distributive property of multiplication over addition is possible, right? Yes. Now for this case, when we divide 30 with 5, we get result 6. But here answer is 25. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Therefore, division does not distribute over addition. Clear? So we'll write this example in our solution. First of all, we'll write solution. Then let us take an example. Let us take an example. 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5. So we'll write it 30 divided by, we can write 5 as 2 plus 3. So it will be 30 divided by 2, then plus 30 divided by 3. So 30 divided by 2 is 15 plus 10, it is 25. It is 25. So now we will write thus 30 divided by 2 plus 3, is it equal? It is not equals. 30 divided by 2, 30 divided by 2 plus 30 divided by 3. Then we will write hence division does not distribute over addition. Hence division does not distribute over addition. So this is our required answer. Clear? Okay, now let us move to our next question, that is question number 7. Here the question is, find a number which when divided by 32 gives quotient 26 and remainder 4. So the number is what? The number is dividend, right? And we know, okay, the number with which we divide, it is known as divisor. This is divisor, right? And this is dividend. This is quotient to quotient, and after subtraction, when we get anything, this is known as remainder. Here the question asks that find a number which when divided by 32, that means our divisor is 32, gives quotient 26, gives another quotient 26 and the remainder 4. So now we have to find this dividend. In our previous class I have told you that we can write, okay, for this let me take one example. Suppose 15, when 15 is divided by 3, question comes 5. So 3 into 5 is 15, remainder 0. Now look one thing, can we write 15 as 3 into 5 plus 0? 3 into 5 is 15, 15 plus 0 is also 15. That means here what we have done, we have multiplied divisor with quotient, and then we have sum the, that is we have add the remainder. So we can write for this, for solving this problem, you should remember one thing, that is the relation between divisor, quotient and dividend and remainder. So the relation is like this, dividend equals divisor multiplied or into quotient plus, if we multiply divisor with quotient and then if we add the remainder, we will get dividend. So here we have to find the dividend. So we will write solution, the number that is dividend, right? The number that is dividend equals, we will write this one, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So our divisor is 32 and quotient is 26 and the remainder is 4. So first of all let us multiply 32 with 26. 6 into 2 is 12, 3 into 6 is 18, then 1 plus 19. 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 2 is 6. So 2 9 plus 4 is 13, then 1, 6, 7, 8, 832. 832 plus 4, that means 836. So, our dividend is 836. Now, if we divide 836 with 32, if you divide 836 with 32, you will get quotient 26 and also you will get remainder 4. Clear? So, we will write our conclusion line. Hence, the number is the number is 836. Clear? So, our next question is question number 8. It is exactly same as this question. So, you try one time, and then if you don't, I will show you in our next video. So, now let us move to our next question, that is question number 9. So, here our question is, the product of two number is 56088. If one of the number is 123, find the other. Product means multiply. That means, if we multiply two numbers, we got the result as 56,088. Now, one of the two number is 123, find the other. So, before solving, let us take one example. For example, the product of two numbers is 20. The product of two number is 20, and if one of the number is 2, find the other. So, we will write let the other number is x. Here our example is the product of two number is 20, one of the number is 2, find the other. So, we will consider let the other number is x. Now, product means what? Multiply. That means 2 into x equals 20. This is the product. 2 equal to x is 20. Now, we know one thing, there is multiplied, right. So, when we change the side, it will got divide. So, we will write x equals 20 divided by 2. So, x equals 10. That means, the other number is 10. Now, if we multiply 10 with 20, 10 into 2 is how much? 20. So, our both the numbers is, one number is 2 and another number is 10. So, same like in this case also, we will consider one number as x. Clear? And other number is, we will multiply x into 123. Then we will write x equals 56,088. So, let us start our solution. Solution, then let the other number, let the other number, that is consider the other number be x. Then according to question, x into 123 equals 56,088. Clear? Now, x equals 56,088 divided by 23. Yes, 23 is multiplied, right? X multiplied 123. So, when we change the side, it will got divide. So, now for this we have to divide. Sorry, it is 123. So, now let us divide 56,088 with 123. Here 123 is not divisible with 5. So, we will take this two number. 56 with 56 also not possible. Then three numbers. Yes, 560. It will go divided with 560. So, let us multiply 123 with 4. 4 into 3 is 12, then remainder 1, 4 into 2 is 8, then plus 1 9, 4 into 1 is 4. 492. So if we multiply 123 with 4, we get 492. Now we will subtract. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. We will take 1 from 6. It will be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here left 5. 5 minus 9 is not possible. So we will take 1 from this. It will be 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6, 8, 68. So 68 is not possible with 123. So we will take this 8 down. Now let us multiply 123 with 5. 123 with 5. 1, 2, 3 with 5. 5 into 3 is 15, the remainder 1. 5 into 2 is 10, then remainder 1 plus it is 11. Then 5 into 1 is 5, then 1, 6. 615. So if we multiply 123 with 5, we get result 615. So 123 into 5, our result is 615. So now again we will subtract. So 8 minus 5 is 8 minus 5, it is 3, and 8 minus 1 is 7, 73. Now again we will take this 8 down, it will be 738. Now if we multiply 123 with 6, 6 into 3 is 18, remainder 1, 6 into 2 is 12, plus 1, 13, then again 1, 6 into 1 is 6, then plus 1, 7, 738. So 123 into 6 is 738. So we get remainder 0. Clear? You have to write this in your copy also. So what I want to say that when we divide 56,088 with 123, we got our number as, then we write x equals 456. That means the other number is 456. Now if we multiply 456 with 123, we will get 56,088. Here the same relation, divisor into quotient plus remainder is dividend. Clear? So at last we will write, hence, after this we will write here, hence the other number is 456. Clear? Okay. So now let us move to our next question, that is question number 10. So our next question is, on dividing 62,345 by 199, the remainder is 58, find the quotient. So this is also with the same relation, that is dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. We will solve this question also with this relation. So first of all we will write solution, then here dividend, dividend equals 62,345, then divisor, divisor equals 199, then the remainder equals 58. Clear? And we have to find quotient. We have to find this. Clear? So now one thing we know dividend equals divisor into quotient, plus, we know this relation, right? That is dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now we will just substitute the values, that is we will just put their values. So dividend equals how much? 62,345. Divisor is 199. 199 question we have to find. So, let us write it q. Clear? So, we will write it as q, then plus remainder is 58. Clear? So, now one by one there is this numbers we will take to left hand side. So, let us start with our addition, right. So, now as this number is added with this term, these two terms are multiplied, right, and this number is added with this term. So, if we change the side, it will what? It will get subtract. If there is plus, if we change the side, it got subtract. If there is minus, if we change the side, it got plus. That is reverse, right. So, our next line will be 62,345 minus 58 equals 199 into q. So, now if we subtract 62,345 minus 58, so let us subtract 15 minus 8 is 10, 15 minus 8 is 7, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 58. 15 minus 8 is 7, here left 3, 13 minus 5 is 8. Clear? Then here left 2, here 2, 6, that is 62,287 equals 199 into q. Clear? Now, in our previous question, I have told you that when there is multiplied, if we change the side, it will got divide. So, our next line will be 62,287 divided by 199 equals q. So, now if we divide 62,287 with 199, let us divide. First of all, you have to write what I have just erased this. First of all, you have to write this one, then this, then you will divide. So, let us divide 62,287 divided by 199. Let us first multiply it with 3, 199 with 3, because this is approximately what? 200, right. So, if you multiply 200 with 3, it will get 600. So, 9 into 3, 9 into 3, 9 into 3 is 27, remainder 2, 9 into 3 is 27, 20, 29, then again remainder 2, 3 into 1 is 3, plus 2, 5, 597. So, 199 into 3 is 597. Now, next is we have to subtract. So, 12 minus 7 is 5. Here left 1. It is not possible. So, you will take 1 from this. So, it will be 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. So, our remainder is 25. Then again we will take this 8. Clear? Now we will multiply 199 into 1. 199 into 1 is 199. Oh, so now 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Then 14. 14 minus 5 is 14 minus 5. Sorry, 14 minus 9 is 5. 59. Clear? 59. 597. So, 199 into 3, 199 into 3 is 597. So, our remainder is 0. So, we will write here. After writing this, we will go in this paragraph. So, after this, we will write here. Clear? That is, our question we got is 131. Sorry, 313. 313 equals q. That means, when we divide 62,287 with 199, we get 313. Therefore, we write hence quotient is 313. Clear? Okay. So now our next question is question number 11. This question is also same, right? In that case, here the question is what? The number 34,567 is divided by 92. If the remainder is 67, find the quotient. Same thing here. In that case, we also use this formula. By using this formula, we can easily find out. So this is your homework. So you try once, and if you don't, I will solve in our next class. So this is for today. I'll meet you in our next class.